Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all?
And I think
Are
the
you
thing
all doing good? Very good, very good. So today is our postal making session. Aren't you all excited? Do you all know what is the meaning of coaster? What do you mean by coaster? No? No? Okay, I will explain you. See, you are drinking milk, right? On the table, you want to keep your cup. So,
I know.
just
Me
what
too.
happened?
I know it. I know too.
Very good,
Me.
very good. Yes, yes. Downside, first you keep the coaster so that your cup is stable and it is not going to fall. Okay, and even you can cover it if you are not drinking the milk or water or your cup of tea. Mama is drinking cup of tea, coffee. Okay, so are you all excited?
Teacher, I have this black one that I use for my pencil. I use this
What, my
one
dear?
for. I use this kind of cup to for my pencil.
We are making a coaster. Coaster. Yes. Yeah. Why you all are with the glasses?
Miss Ruchita,
Yes.
what do we need for the coaster?
Yes. I am saying newspapers, quilling needle, tin round stick. So this is the combination. This will be the combination of your newspaper craft and paper quilling. So you all know both the activities, right? You all know how to quill. You all know how to do the newspaper craft. So
I don't know how to do
mixing
the
these two,
newspaper craft, but I know how to do the color.
mixing,
Tita, Miss
mixing these
Ruchita,
two activities, we are going to make one coaster.
Miss
Okay?
Ruchita.
Mixing these two, kindly be on mute when I am saying, my dear kids.
Ruchita,
Please be on mute.
Ruchita,
Nikita, be on mute.
Miss Ruchita, I don't have a feeling art neither.
You have attended my quilling session. Okay. So then we'll be needing glue stick and kindly be on mute. Nikita, Nikita,
Yes?
Maya, Nikita, be on mute. Yes. So in the way, first there will be a pattern of newspaper craft. Then there will be a pattern of quilling. Okay. Then we will do a beautiful craft and make a coaster. Okay, everyone. Are you all ready? Very good. Very good. So now I am placing my mobile so that you can see my table that what we have to do. Okay, kids? Yes. Very good.
Teacher?
Yes.
Teacher?
I'm sure you all are able to see my paper. Sorry.
Teacher?
Yes, Neha. Yes, Neha.
Teacher, I don't have newspaper, teacher. Can I use A4?
Okay. No problem.
Okay, teacher. Miss Ruchita, can I just use this stick?
This is too thick. We need this much thin stick. See
But I don't either have a thin stick.
how you made the newspaper craft. What you took that time?
What did you say?
What did you took that time when we made the newspaper craft? You might
Just
have
think
taken some, my dear Samaira.
Yes.
Samaira, we have done the
Yes.
newspaper craft. We have done the newspaper craft, right? Am I right?
Yes.
So the moment when we did the newspaper craft, that time also same material was required. What you used that day?
Oh yeah.
Yes, the same stick we need.
Miss Suchita, is this stick okay?
Wait, let me see. It should not bend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Miss Suchita, is this stick okay? Is this stick okay?
You took the same during your newspaper craft?
Yeah, I use that. This is the
Yes.
same pencil.
Yes, it's okay. Hi Rutvik, good morning.
Teacher, do we need like these kind of tweezers? They came
Yes,
with a...
first we'll be needing the newspaper. I'll be saying you how to cut it, okay? I'll be saying you how to cut it. Kindly, who is on unmute? Kindly be on mute. Okay, so this is the newspaper. This is the newspaper which is having like this paper, okay? Which is having like this paper in it, right? So, पता हुआ just a second. पता just a second, okay? Yes. So this is our newspaper. This is our newspaper, right, kids? Now this is having a fold in between. This is very much straight. This is having a fold in between. What we will do, we will cut from the fold first. We will cut from the fold first. Like this first, we are going to cut it. Now when we cut, we get two papers like this, one like this, two. Both the papers, we have to cut it from the middle fold. This is the middle fold.
Teacher, I don't have like newspaper. I only have this kind of paper.
What is that?
It's a paper. This is like a different paper than a newspaper.
What it is?
It's a paper, but not a newspaper.
It is a newspaper, right?
No,
Then
it's like a paper.
okay.
So, Cheetah, what did we do in the beginning?
So Now we got one piece, two piece, four piece.
Miss what did we did in the beginning?
Okay? Kindly be on mute.
Mr.
Now,
Cheetah.
yes, my dear.
What did we do in the beginning?
That's what I am explaining. You will not be on mute. You will not be understanding.
Oh,
Now, I have taken this single paper. Okay? This is a single paper which we are folding. Which we are going to fold it like this. Okay? So we have kept the paper landscape in a horizontal position and we are folding it like this. So it becomes a vertical rectangle. Okay? A standing rectangle. Now we have to cut this part. We have to cut this folded part. What we have folded. Okay? What we have folded right now, we have to cut that. Okay? Again, we'll be getting 1 and 2 piece. 1 and 2. So, again give it a fold and cut it. So, at the time of newspaper craft, what we did, at the time of newspaper craft, what we did, do you all remember what we did?
teacher? Teacher?
Just a second. Just a second.
What did you do after this part?
Just a second. My paper tore. So, I have taken another paper. Give me a minute. Okay. Now we got these two papers. Again, this also we have to fold it. Again, this also we have to fold it. Okay. After folding, give it a cut again. Okay. Now in newspaper craft, we again fold it. But today we need this big paper. Okay. In newspaper craft, we took this much piece. All of you remember? But today we will be needing this much piece.
I have 4 of them.
Yes. For if anyone is not using newspaper, then I can say you the approximate size. It is 18 by 14 centimeter. If anyone is not using newspaper,
Oh,
not having
teacher,
newspaper at
teacher,
home,
teacher, I don't have a newspaper at home. I only had one
then
newspaper
cut the
and
rectangles of 18 centimeter by 14 centimeter.
I don't know what that means.
What?
I don't know what that
From your
means.
scale, from 0 to 18 is 18 centimeter. From your scale, From 0 to 18, it is 18 centimeter, and 0 to 14, it is 14 centimeter.
Oh,
Yes.
I
The rectangle 18 by 14, cut it. We need 12 pieces of this 18 by 14 centimeter.
okay.
12 pieces. Understood?
Okay.
Yes. We need 12 papers like this.
I got 6. Ma'am, I got 6.
Make more sticks.
Miss, Miss,
Yes,
Miss,
Nikita.
I don't have. I can make 12 newspapers. It's too hard. I can make 12 newspapers. Only 2. 1.
You simply cut it then 18 centimeter by 14 centimeter.
Okay.
Yes. From your scale, if you see 0 to 18, it is 18 centimeter, and 0 to 14, it is 14 centimeter.
Miss Cheetah, how do we have to cut? Like how many times do we have to cut?
Dear, we have to make 12 pieces like this. So you can count it how many pieces are there. We need 12 pieces like this.
Okay.
Yes, my dear. We need 12 pieces like this. So kindly, I have given a rough estimate. We need 18 by 14 centimeter rectangle, 12 pieces. So if anybody is not having the newspaper like me, no problem. Cut your paper to 18 centimeter by 14 centimeter. On your scale, 0 to 18 is 18 centimeter. 0 to 14 is 14 centimeter. Are all of you understanding, my dear kids? Is there any kind of difficulty? Sharvi, Samaira,
No.
Neha, Sanaya, Nikita, Anika, Tia, Shishira,
No.
Great.
No.
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. अगर ये स्क्रैच आएगा आशा का।
Teacher, I have 12.
Yes, we need 12. We need 12 rectangles.
Done with cutting our 12.
Okay, Sanaya.
I have 12 pieces. Miss Ruchita. Miss
Yes, are
Ruchita,
you done?
I am done.
Okay. Now the kids, those who are done, don't worry, I am going to wait. Again, like newspaper craft, we have to repeat the same step again and again. So I am going to wait, don't worry. Okay. The kids who have done have to place your rectangle like this. Same step as we did in the newspaper craft. Our round stick will be placed like this. The small triangle should be seen and we have to first fold it inside the triangle. Okay. Inside the rectangle. Then with our hands, we have to roll it in a manner that that triangle is getting folded inside the rectangle. Now, keep rolling your stick. Okay, keep rolling it. Slowly, very slowly. Now, just keep it rolling. Same manner, at the edge of this triangle, when this much portion is left, apply the glue. Apply the glue very well and roll it again. Complete the rolling part. When you complete the rolling part,
Oh my God, we're doing the same thing.
Samaira, please be on mute. When we complete the rolling part, we have to slowly, with the other hand, remove the stick. This, our roll is ready. Now this is the big roll compared to our newspaper craft. Our newspaper craft was having exact the half roll of this. Again in the same manner, take the rectangle and keep the stick slanting. Roll the triangle first inside the rectangle, then keep rolling it slowly. Do not hurry. Do not hurry at all. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, how many do we need?
12.
Okay. Miss Suchita, is this good so far?
Show me. It should be tight roll.
Okay.
Make it tight more. Can I explain you what exactly is to be done so that you will be understanding how tight you have to do? I will take my one roll and explain you what exactly we are going to do afterwards. See, we have got a roll. Now First, we are pressing it like this. Okay, we are pressing it like this. But as we have rolled, so it is thick. Okay, we have pressed it like this. Okay, now with our quilling needle, we are going to do the quilling method on this. Okay, how we are going to do, just see. We are placing our newspaper here like this, rolling this, and we have to roll this roll now. Okay, understanding? So this is the method we are going to do ahead. So first, all of you should be ready with your 12 rolls. Once you are ready with your 12 rolls, only then we can do this method. Okay? Will do the quilling of this. So this is newspaper is thick. So once you reach a level that now you can roll it yourself, you can slowly remove your needle and you can start rolling yourself also. Okay. Again, the same method we have to apply. What we did for the quilling flower yesterday. We made a flower, right, everyone? Now at the edge, we are applying the glue. This is the way our roll is to look like. We will get this type of roll. Okay. So first step is making the paper rolls. Again and again, kids, I'm going to explain you so that it will be there in your mind. We are taking the rectangle, then we are keeping our stick slanting. A small triangular portion is seen. We are folding that inside the rectangle, and the same with our hands. First, we are folding inside. Okay. Now, after the fold is done, the triangle is inside the roll. We have to just roll it. We have to just roll it then. Then the method will be very easy. It will be a good tight roll. Okay. The quilling part we all will do afterwards. First, we have to make this roll. This will be a good exercise for you all this morning, right? Right.
Yes.
Yes. And in the same, when we are repeating now, we have done a separate session of newspaper craft, a separate session of
Teacher?
uh, quilling. But now we are going to do both. So you will be memorizing both.
Teacher?
Yes,
How much do we need?
I told you all 12 rolls we need to make first. 12 rolls. We are first concentrating on our rolls. We have to make 12 rolls first. Understood? Now, coasters can be even used to keep anything hot also. Huh? Suppose your mom has cooked the vegetable and she has bought it, got to serve in on your dining table. Now, we can't keep it directly on the table. We are keeping a mat down there. So instead of mat, we can even keep the coaster. Are you all understanding? My dear kids, are you all understanding?
Yes.
Very good. Now, again, the triangle first I am folding and simply rolling. After that, I am simply rolling it. Till I get another small triangle over here. I'll be rolling it, and then as I get the triangle, just applying the glue stick, again rolling it, and removing the stick from the other hand. Again, the triangular part, we are rolling it inside. Then we have to just roll our hand. I suppose all are with me and all are following the instructions. All are understanding. Is there anyone who has not understood how to make a roll? Every one of you understood? How to make the newspaper roll, because this is the main part.
Yes.
Very good. Tanaya, Rutvik,
Mr. Cheetah, is this good so far?
just a second. Yes,
Okay.
yes, my dear. Sharvi, it is good now. So Monday we will be having our flameless cooking session in which we will be making chocolate lollipops. Are you all excited? You will be having good sweet to eat. How many rolls done, Rutvik?
Three.
Okay.
Three rolls.
Okay, do it fast.
What?
Do it fast.
Okay.
Yes. You have to do still 9 more. Neha, how many rolls done?
Teacher, I'm done.
All the 12 rolls done?
Yeah, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Neha.
Thank you, teacher.
Very good. Sharvi, how many rolls done?
3.
Okay, do it fast.
Okay.
Samaira,
6.
very good. Very good. Keep on doing. Tia, Tia,
7.
very good. Very good. Keep on doing. Tanaya,
5.
very good. Keep on doing, my dear. Anika,
9.
very good. Excellent. Himaya,
Anika, you know. 2.
Himaya,
2.
2. Keep doing fast. Nikita, how many rolls, Nikita? Neha, you
Teacher?
understood how you have to do the quilling?
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Should do I show again?
Uh, yes, teacher.
Yeah. See, this is the roll. Just press it, press the entire roll like this. It will become slight flat, right?
Yeah, teacher.
Huh?
Yeah,
Then,
yeah.
with the help of the quilling needle, now we have to follow the quilling step. This edge in the middle of the needle, okay? Both the pointers up and down, right?
Uh,
You remember we did yesterday?
yes, teacher.
Then just find that needle. Yes. Now just roll it as we did the quilling paper. Now remember, kids, this is a thick paper, that was thin paper. So this, till we come to a point that we can roll it ourselves, we have to do it. Okay, now see, here also we can roll it ourselves, else a little more. As this is thick, I will remove the needle and keep on rolling with the help of my hands. Okay, remember this roll also should be a tight roll, huh? It shouldn't be a loose roll. Neha,
Okay.
understanding?
Yeah, teacher, I'm understanding.
Yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Okay, so at the edge again, apply the Fevicol or your glue. Okay, my dear?
Okay, teacher.
Yes.
Miss Ruchita, Miss Ruchita,
Yes.
by mistake some of my rolls are loose.
It should be tight, otherwise this pulling roll should will not come proper.
Sorry.
It's okay, my dear. So, Neha, your newspaper roll will come like this in the quilling manner. Huh?
Okay, okay, teacher.
Yes. First, we are making 12 newspaper rolls as we did in the newspaper craft, taking a rectangle piece at the edge, leaving a small triangular part. We have to keep our stick in a slanting position. Then that triangle part, we have to fold it inside first the rectangle. After that, we have to just roll it, and when the another edge is approaching, we have to apply the glue
Teacher,
and then roll it back again to close the newspaper roll. Yes,
teacher,
yes.
I'm done making the rolls.
Okay, Tia, just take your quilling needle.
Hmm? Take my going eagle on.
I will say you what to do. Now this is your newspaper roll, right? Right? It is round in shape, right? You have to press it with the help of your hands like this. It gets flat.
I already pressed it.
Okay, very good. Now, same quilling method we have to apply. Here, leaving some
Let's
space,
try.
we have to keep our quilling needle and keep folding it.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait.
See now, the thick
I have
portion,
to
now this portion is very thick. So by the time you will be getting an intact roll, so you can remove the needle and roll it with the help of your hands. Understanding? Tia? Yes.
Yes.
Very good, my dear. See, now I am able to roll on my own. So I am removing the needle, keeping it aside and start rolling on my own. Now when I am rolling, one more thing to keep in mind, when I am rolling this, I have pressed so that this will not get loosened up. Only we are rolling the paper strip. Okay. Now again, this edge, we have to apply the glue.
Okay.
Yes. Apply the glue and stick it. See, I have applied the glue and I am sticking my roll. Okay. So in this way, your roll will be. Who else is done making the 12 rolls?
Mr. Cheetah, I only have two more left.
Okay, do it.
Mr. Cheetah, I'm done.
Okay. So I will explain you how to do the quilling. Now we have a round roll, right? A round roll. We have to press it flat. Press it with the help of your hand. Okay? Press it entire, it should become flat. Okay? Now, yesterday we did the quilling part, right? So the same quilling part we have to follow here. Keeping the needle here and rolling it. Keeping the needle on one edge and rolling it. Now when the thick portion will start coming now, you won't be able to roll it with the help of the needle. So what you have to do, just roll it 1 to 2 times with the help of your hand when the needle is there inside. Okay. Now it is quite thick. So remove it then and start rolling with the help of your hand. Okay, press this, keep pressing with your other hand, thumb and index finger, and making the roll. Understood, Sharvi?
Yes.
Very good, Sharvi. Again, when the edge is remaining, apply Fevicol or glue and then stick it. So your newspaper quilt roll will be seen like this. Understood?
So
Yes.
I think
Who else is done? Himaya. Himaya left the meeting. Nikita. Tanaya. Shishira. Tia, Sharvi and Neha. Follow that step, quilling step for all the 12 rows. Shishira, how much left?
One more.
Okay, very good. Just say me when you are done. I will explain you how to do the quilling part.
Is this good?
What, my dear?
Is this one good?
It should be like this.
Oh, okay.
Who else is done? Samaira, done making those 2 rows?
I just have to count if I did all the 12 rolls.
Okay. Nikita? 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 Are you there, Nikita? वो नहीं मिलेगा अभी क्योंकि मैंने गिनती के मैंने एक्स्ट्रा थोड़ी बनाई कॉस्टर Samaira done?
Shishira is done. Can you
Okay.
show her
Yes.
how to? Is it the same
Yes.
like yesterday?
I am done.
Okay, both of you listen to me, Shishira and Samaira. We have rolled the paper. Now it is round in shape, right? We have got the round roll. So what we will do, just press it hard so that it gets flattened. Okay? Just press it hard so that it gets flattened.
Just keep it holding.
Yes? Now, with the help of the quilling needle, in the starting, just leave little bit and quill it. Make it as yesterday. We first rolled it. Okay? Now, as this is a newspaper roll, the middle portion will be thicker. The middle portion will be thicker as compared to our yesterday. The needle only with the help of your hand, you roll it, okay, quill it, and then slowly remove the needle. Slowly remove the needle and roll it with the help of your hands now. Roll it with the help of your hands now. Keep pressing with the other thumb and index finger so that it will come properly pressed roll. Understood? And now at this edge, when this much edge is remaining, apply Fevicol or your glue.
Yeah, same like yesterday, but only is you don't have to do the whole part.
Yes, because yesterday was a thin paper strip. So it was very much easy to roll from the needle the entire thing. But today we are rolling the entire newspaper roll. So it will be difficult from the middle because it becomes thick.
I need more glue.
So this we have to do for all the 12 rolls.
No, I don't.
What happened, Nikita?
I think we have snacks.
You all liked yesterday's Rakhi?
Yes.
Very good. We have to follow the same steps, the same quilling step for all the 12 paper rolls what we have done. Anika, you are also done, right? Anika,
We're doing the quilling.
very good. Okay. What about you, Tanaya?
Let me do it. I can't finish one of the rows.
Why?
सर्कल बनेगा नहीं तो नहीं बनेगा circle.
I couldn't finish one of the rows
Why? Any
The glue-
difficulty?
because the glue wasn't making it stick.
Okay, no problem. You can do for the rest 11 and at the last you can do the 12th one.
I finished one whole. I finished one whole. I got all of them. Let me count these rows. One. Make sure. Mr. Cheetah,
Yes.
the roll is not really going in.
That's what I'm saying. From the middle, it will not
Right.
go in because it is thick now. So you have to keep rolling from your hand.
Oh.
Yes, I told this, Myra. I also know that it is not going to go because it is thick roll, na? Yesterday, what we did was a very thin roll, right?
Mama?
Anika, please be on mute, my dear.
I'm doing the whole roll with my hands.
Okay.
But even the needle is not good. Teacher, I have to go and do another class.
Okay.
So can I leave?
Yes, you can leave. The last part, I would request you kindly see the video and make it because the sticking part will be important. So see it very carefully and in your free time you can make it and send me the pic then.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
Welcome, my dear. Bye. Take care. Have a nice weekend.
Bye, Kimaya. 1, 2. Tia. Bye, Tia. Bye, Kimaya.
Kimaya has already left. Kimaya is not here. Tia was saying.
Miss Ruchita, Miss Ruchita,
Yes,
is
my
my
dear.
is my roll looking good?
Yes. Stick it carefully.
What?
Stick it. Stick it. And remember, whenever you are having glue, now we are having glue in our hand from such a long time. After your this session, wash your hands clean with hot water, little warm water. Whenever we are doing glue work, just remember that you should wash your hands with little warm water.
Miss Ruchita, is this looking good?
Show me, Shalvi. Yes, it is proper.
Thank you.
Yes. Now, for all the 12 rolls, you have to do the same step. Just see to it that the quilt roll of the paper is not loose. This should be tight. All of you done making the quilling rolls?
I have only done 3 of those.
Please do fast, my dear.
Okay. Teacher, what shall I do now?
We have to make all the 12 rolls.
Miss Ruchita, this is Samara's mom. In case
Yes.
you're getting late, you want to log out, you can just tell me and I can make her do it later. I mean, because she has all the 12, she has just made 3 of them.
The quilling rolls, na?
Yeah. She's taking a lot of time.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. It's okay, ma'am, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Samara, jaldi karo.
Miss Ruchita, I'm done.
Okay, just wait for 2 minutes. I will show you how to join it, okay?
Okay.
Yes, just wait for 2 minutes. I am showing how to join it together so that you will be getting a beautiful costume.
Shall we? What? Can you show me one of your rules? Yes. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. You're welcome. Samira, what are you doing? I am doing the project. Okay. Miss Ruchita, Miss Ruchita, Miss Ruchita, Miss Ruchita.
First, you will be getting a flower like this. Yes.
I am done with all the rules. My mom helped me little but
Okay, now stick it. First, you have to make the flower like this.
okay.
So 10 rolls we have used like this in making a triangle. 10 rolls we have used like this in making a triangle. Keep one roll here on the top like this. And one roll like this on the top. So 2 rolls we have to keep it like this and the other 10 rolls like this. You'll be able to see like this. For every one of you, it will be dry. Then only you have to pick it up. Okay. It will be looking like this. Okay, everyone. Can I post a picture of this on the group so that you can do it, everyone?
Okay.
Yes.
Can I show you my picture?
Okay. Bye for now, kids. I will be posting a picture on the group.
Miss Ruchita.
Yes, Ravi.
Thank you for telling us what to do very late at night. नहीं वो नहीं होगा
What, my dear?
हो गया Thank you for telling us how to do this very late at night.
Oh, it's absolutely okay. Don't worry. I won't be I won't be doing like that and I won't say you and like that only I will leave. Don't worry. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.
Good night.
Good night. Good
Mira.
morning for you.
Bye.
Bye. See you.